Hello everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Today I'm excited to guide you through the process of connecting Microsoft Excel to n8n. This integration can revolutionize your workflow by seamlessly integrating Excel spreadsheets into n8n's automation capabilities. Imagine having your Excel data automatically updated and processed without any manual effort. Sounds amazing, right? So, let's dive right in and explore how you can make this happen. To begin, you'll want to create a new workflow within n8n. Once you've logged in, head over to the Workflows tab. You'll see an option to create a new workflow. Click on it. This will bring up a blank canvas, which is where all the magic is going to happen. The first thing we need to do is set up a trigger. Triggers are essential because they define how and when your automation will start. They can be anything from a scheduled task that runs at a particular time to a webhook that activates when a specific external event occurs, or even something you manually initiate when you're ready. Choosing the right trigger depends on your specific needs, but don't worry too much. It's flexible, and you can always modify it later as your workflow evolves. Moving forward, the next crucial step is configuring your credentials within n8n. Credentials essentially act as secure keys that allow different software tools to communicate safely with each other. To do this, navigate to the Credentials section, which you can typically find in the left-hand menu of n8n. Click on Create New and select the Microsoft Excel OAuth 2 option from the menu. This step is vital because it allows us to securely connect to an Excel workbook online and manage its data directly from within n8n. Before you can input this information into n8n, you first need to obtain credentials from Microsoft. This involves registering an application in Azure using the Microsoft Identity Platform. Log into your Azure account and begin a new app registration. Assign your app a memorable name that clearly associates it with the task at hand. This will be helpful in the future. Once your app is created, you'll receive a client ID. It's important to keep this ID handy as you'll need it later. The next step involves generating a client secret. This is another critical piece of information, and remember, it will only be displayed once. Make sure to store it securely. Additionally, you must configure a redirect URI that matches your n8n instance to ensure that Azure can relay information back to n8n securely. Completing these steps finalizes the registration needed for your integration. Now, return to n8n and in the Credentials section, input your client ID, client secret, and the redirect URI. This step will establish trust between n8n and Excel, allowing them to communicate effectively. You're ready to add the Excel 365 node to your workflow. Simply drag it from the left panel onto your workflow canvas. You'll then be prompted to select the credentials you just set up. By doing this, Excel recognizes that it should grant access to n8n, enabling you to both pull and push data as needed for your tasks. And there you have it, your first successful connection between Microsoft Excel and n8n. By following these steps, you'll be able to automate tasks across different platforms efficiently, saving you both time and effort and significantly boosting your productivity. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to connect Microsoft Excel to n8n quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online. Thank you for watching, and happy automating!